this though. Right. Next. Okay. Now the other one is very big one. Pick list pay grade. List. Okay, I'll tell you why we are creating all these things. Engineering. You're getting bored? I want you to do. Okay.
No.
And this declarative also, you have to practice. Otherwise, no. Okay, if you don't practice, then you're gone. Okay, it's not a programming, right? You have to know the, practice just to know it. That's it. Next. Now save. Now go to your positions object. When you click on new,
New.
can you see?
We'll get everything. Yeah, whatever we did now.
Right?
Okay. Okay.
This is opened on some 23rd. Status new. Substatus pending. Department engineering. Okay.
Yes.
Location.
Location.
Job description mandatory field we made it, right? Okay.
Yes.
What is the minimum pay? Okay. Education responsibility. Okay. Pay grade. Selected engineering, no? Engineering, right? Pay grade 100. You can't save. See, your record got created. I just left out fields. Okay. If you want to create another field, just click on clone. Got it? 100 default duplicate value. Now click on your positions. Can you see your two records?
Yeah.
If you want to edit, click on edit. Okay. That's it. Then we will go to the detail page. Can you see your fields? It's there. All the fields. Okay. What is the field name? What is the API name? What is the data type? Pick list values. What's there? Number. Duration. Like this. You can click on positions. Click on go. You'll get your records. You can also click on just refresh this. You click on edit, it will open there, and if you want to click new position, owner field unde kada, it's a standard field, right? So whoever creates that particular record, I am Shiv Kumar, but I logged in with Pavani. So when I created a record as a Pavani, the record owner will be Pavani, not Shiva. Got my point there?
Yeah.
But using Pavani's credentials and I'm creating it. Obviously, Pavani will be okay like this. App developer. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this concept is called as what? What is that? Data types.
Statistics.
Okay, na? How many data types you have seen?
Yeah.
How many types you have seen? Sorry.
24.
Almost all some 17 to 18 data types we have seen.
And
Salesforce will keep on increasing the data types based on the requirement,
Default.
and they'll be, putting those in the new what do you call the new releases.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now today homework is all other two people should create this position object.
Okay.
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 And tomorrow
Yeah,
we will
okay.
see. Okay. We'll
Okay.
slowly create an application. Okay. I will show you the application. Wait, how does that application looks? Guys, can we start the session at what do you call at 6 o'clock my time?
That may
Same.
8:38 our time.
I don't know. So my time is 6:30 because I'm getting delayed to office. Can we do it at 6:07 or
Yeah,
5:45?
it's 8:30.
Fine.
That's fine. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
8:30. 6 is okay.
6 is okay. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay.
We are doing.
Before leaving, can I ask you one thing?
Yeah, please tell me.
Whatever the notes you are having, and like there's a PPT with you, and there are some other notes. Can we
I
get
will.
those
I will
notes
put.
too?
I will put it in a Word document and I'll send it to you.
Not only the Word document in which you're writing all the notes, like while you're
The slides
explaining to
one
us.
I'll create.
Notepad. She meant notepad. No,
Uh,
I
I'm
will
asking
like
put
about the
PPTs which
PPT.
you are
PPT.
showing.
Yeah,
PPTs.
PPT one. I'll put it in a Word document and I'll share it to you. I
Okay.
can share the
Okay.
PPT, but I'll put it in a Word document and I'll share it to you.
Yeah, if you can, because like there will be some few words or few things that we have to learn deep inside,
Correct.
like
Correct.
going
Yeah.
googling each and everything. So for that purpose,
Yeah.
if you could, then thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do it sometime today. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So this is how we create our application.
Okay.
Position, job posting, job application, candidates, interviews, reviews, offer, contract, books.
Hmm.
Okay, now this is my application, recruitment application.
Okay.
So, so that's it from my side. Okay, I'll send this document to you. Okay,
Okay.
you guys can create. Okay, is it who's there? Navya, are you there? How do you send this document? Shall I send it to you? Hello.